It's Tomboyshowdown here, and today we are going to be playing Minecraft and building a BB-8 from Star Wars Force Awakens. First thing you're going to need is a leather cap, dyed orange, so you're going to need to do that. Then you are going to need to dig a hole. Oop. And then you're going to need to fill it up with 3 pieces of snow. You're going to have to place down an armor stand. You can place it any way you want. Put that thing on top. Now build this thing up like 2 more. And then you place down your piston and your little quartz block thing. And you do that. And you can do that. Make sure you don't let the piston retract on that one, because it will pull the armor stand all the way to the top with it, and that's not very good. This shovel is way too good. Anyway, so you got your little BB-8 guy, but you also need to have like the little things around it. So we're back, and if we can just place these around with no more distractions. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I have those. Yeah, there's your little BB-8, and what you want to do now is to make it look like he's been it's kind of just a walk. So you just kind of like, there you go. So there should be little BB-8